always double check. Make sure.
When we go out the template, it's a very important process in what we do because we're getting a visual accessibility for the job for our guys.
This piece is just a master bathroom. It's kind of plain, but again, it's pretty long. I like to make sure the seam looks correct.
If you look at a granite, it's like glass. I just like the shiny glass look, and it makes it reflect all the natural stuff that's in the stone, and it brings it to life. Seam placement matters a lot. If there's a bay window, if there's a lot of sunlight coming from the right or the left, we try to avoid that.